हे गाइस वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल साइकोलॉजी हब। जैसा कि बहुत सारे वीडियोस के कमेंट सेक्शन में आपने मुझसे पूछा था कि इस साल साइकोलॉजी के सिलेबस में क्या चेंज हुआ है, सो हियर आई एम विद द वीडियो। लेट अस सी कि साइकोलॉजी के सिलेबस में क्या क्या चेंजेस आए हैं। सो द चेंज इन पोर्शन फॉर द 12th स्टैंडर्ड 2020। लेट अस लुक एट द फर्स्ट चैप्टर। So the first chapter, that is scientific psychology, a scientific discipline. So I'll tell you all the page numbers too. This is from the page number 6. So page number 6, observation method. The entire observation method has been cancelled out. The entire observation method has been cancelled out. Page number 7, case study method. Entire case study method has been cancelled out. So page number 6 and 7 have been cancelled out. That is observation method and case study method. As well as activity number 8 and 9 have been cancelled out. Please note activity 8 and 9 have been cancelled out. This was all for the first chapter. Let's move to the next chapter. Second chapter, that is intelligence. In this, page number 18, 19 and 20 have been cancelled out. Page number 18, 19 and 20 have been cancelled out. So in page number 18, that is social intelligence. Entire social intelligence has been cancelled out. So entire social intelligence has been cancelled out. And emotional intelligence has been also cancelled out. These two topics have been cancelled out. First is social intelligence, and then we have emotional intelligence. These two topics are the topics which have been cancelled out in the second chapter. Now look at the third chapter, that is personality. In personality, page number 26 and 27 have been cancelled out. Page number 26 and 27 have been cancelled out. On the page number 26, Carl Jung's theory of personality. Entire Carl Jung's theory of personality has been cancelled out. Then we have Alport's theory of personality. Even that is cancelled out. And the do you know which was there, even that is cancelled out. So Carl Jung's theory of personality, Alport's theory of personality have been cancelled out. Entire thing of Alport's theory of personality has been cancelled out. Till secondary traits, it has been cancelled out. Let us look at the next chapter, that is chapter 4, cognitive processes. In cognitive processes, page number 38 and 41 have been cancelled out. Page number 38 and 41 have been cancelled out. So on page number 38, types of thinking. In types of thinking, the first thinking, that is problem solving. Entire problem solving has been cancelled out. But only the problem solving part has been cancelled out. The rest is still there. So entire types of thinking is not cancelled out. Only first, that is problem solving, has been cancelled out. Then we have on page number 41, learning by observation. Only that part has been cancelled out. On page number 41, learning by observation. Only that part has been cut out. The rest is still there. Let's look at the next chapter, that is emotion. Chapter number 5, emotions. In chapter number 5, page number 46 and 47 have been cancelled out. Page number 46 and 47 have been cancelled out. On page number 46, basic emotion. Basic emotions have been cancelled out. Entire basic emotions has been cancelled out. Everything under basic emotions is cancelled out. On page number 41, from happiness and this, it's cancelled out. From page number 41, everything from happiness and anger is cancelled out. Till disgust, it's cancelled out. Till disgust, it's cancelled out. Let's check at the next chapter, that is chapter number 7, first aid in mental health. Whereas chapter 6 is concerned, there is no changes in chapter 6, that is psychological disorders. Entire chapter 6 is gonna remain. There is no cutting, or there's nothing as of cut now in chapter number 6. In chapter number 7, that is first aid in mental health, page number 88 and 89 have been cancelled out. Page number 88 and 89 have been cancelled out. On page number 88, first aid in mental illness, from first aid in mental illness, it's cancelled out till engage in risky behaviors like alcohol and drug use, etc. This all has been cancelled out in chapter number 7. This is the only part which has been cancelled out in in chapter number 7. Let's move to the last chapter, that is chapter number 8, positive psychology. In positive psychology, page number 99 and 100 have been cancelled out. On page number 99, determinants of happiness. Determinants of happiness has been cancelled out. Entire determinants of happiness has been cancelled out. Till the activity number 3, it's determinants of happiness. So from determinants of happiness, that is activity 2, till activity 3 has been cancelled out. And on page number 100, only the part that is optimist versus pessimist has been cancelled out. The rest, which is there on page number 100, is there. Only the part that is optimist versus pessimist is cancelled out. This was all that has been cancelled out in your psychology syllabus this year. If you all have any doubts regarding anything, please feel free to ask me in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all like this video. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.